ready to declutter your Beehiiv subscriber list and supercharge your audience segmentation. First, navigate to your Beehiiv dashboard and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account configurations. In the Settings menu on the left, locate and click on the Tags option. This will take you to your tag management page. Here, you'll see a list of all the tags currently applied to your subscribers. Take a moment to review each tag. Identify any tags that are no longer relevant, outdated, or duplicates. These are the ones we'll be removing to clean up your list. When you find a tag you want to remove, hover over it. You'll see a small trash can icon appear next to it. Click on this icon. A confirmation dialog will pop up. This is your chance to be absolutely sure if you're ready. Click Delete to confirm the removal. And just like that, the tag is gone. Repeat this process for any other tags you wish to remove. By regularly decluttering your tags, you'll ensure your subscriber data remains accurate and your segmentation efforts are more effective, leading to highly targeted campaigns. Keep your list clean and your communication sharp with this simple Beehiiv organization tip. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights.